Hello everyone. Today I practicing English pronunciation. Sound B, 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 big,
C.
best,
Big. Best.
best,
Rob.
rob,
Robber.
rubber,
Verb.
verb,
Climb.
climb,
Code.
climb, come,
Thumb.
thumb,
Bomb.
bomb,
Bee.
bee, big business.
2. When was the baby born?
When was the baby born?
3. It's better to bake your own bread than to buy it.
It's better to bake your bread than to buy it.
4. What's that big building between the bank and the library?
What's that big building between the bank and the library?
A. 70. F. 1. Pamela's got a new job.
Pamela's got a new job.
2. Paul's got big problems with his neighbours.
Paul's got big problems with his neighborhood.
3.
Ne-
Pamela's got a new job.
neighborhood.
2. Paul's got big problems with his neighbours.
Paul's got big problems with his neighborhood.
3. Can you remember Pete's phone number?
Can you remember Peter's phone number?
4. Pack your bags and bring your passport.
Pack your bags and bring your passport.
A. 70. G.
G.
1. Stop.
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 2. Don't drop that.
Don't drop that.
Drop that.
Don't drop that.
3. Hey, Bob.
Hey Bob.
Hey, Bob.
Hey Bob.
4. The World Wide Web.
The World Wide Web.
Wide Web.
The World Wide Web.